Azure Backup is a cloud-based service that provides simple, secure, and cost-effective solutions to back up your data and recover it from the Microsoft Azure cloud. It replaces your existing on-premises or off-site backup solution with a reliable, scalable, and highly available service. Azure Backup offers protection for various data types, including files, folders, system states, and entire virtual machines. In today's digital age, data is a critical asset for any organization. Ensuring that data is backed up and can be restored in case of accidental deletion, corruption, or disaster is paramount. Azure Backup provides a robust solution to safeguard your data, ensuring business continuity and compliance with regulatory requirements. Azure Backup consists of several key components: the Recovery Services Vault, backup policies, and backup agents. The Recovery Services Vault is a storage entity in Azure that houses backup data. Backup policies define when and how backups are taken, and backup agents are installed on the machines to be backed up, facilitating the backup process. To set up Azure Backup, you first need to create a Recovery Services Vault in the Azure portal. Once the vault is created, you can configure backup policies and install the necessary agents on your on-premises or Azure-based machines. This setup ensures that your data is regularly backed up according to the defined schedule. Backup policies in Azure Backup define the schedule and retention of your backups. You can configure policies to take daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly backups and specify how long each backup should be retained. This flexibility allows you to meet your organization's specific data protection requirements. Once your backup policies are configured, Azure Backup will automatically take backups according to the defined schedule. You can also initiate manual backups if needed. The backup process involves transferring data from your machines to the Recovery Services Vault, where it is securely stored. Azure Backup provides detailed monitoring and reporting capabilities. You can view the status of your backup jobs, including successes, failures, and in-progress operations, through the Azure portal. Alerts and notifications can be configured to inform you of any issues that require attention. Restoring data from Azure Backup is a straightforward process. You can initiate a restore operation from the Azure portal, selecting the specific backup point you wish to restore from. The data is then transferred back to the original or an alternate location, ensuring minimal downtime and data loss. Azure Backup plays a crucial role in disaster recovery planning. In the event of a catastrophic failure, you can quickly restore critical data and systems, ensuring business continuity. Azure Backup's integration with other Azure services, such as Azure Site Recovery, enhances your overall disaster recovery strategy. Azure Backup ensures that your data is protected with robust security measures, including encryption at rest and in transit. It also helps you comply with various regulatory requirements by providing features such as immutable backups and role-based access control. This ensures that your backup data is both secure and compliant. Azure Backup offers a cost-effective solution for data protection. You only pay for the storage you use, and there are no upfront costs or termination fees. Additionally, Azure Backup's built-in compression and deduplication features help reduce storage costs by minimizing the amount of data stored. To maximize the effectiveness of Azure Backup, follow best practices such as regularly testing your backups, monitoring backup jobs, and reviewing backup policies. Ensure that your backup strategy aligns with your organization's recovery objectives and compliance requirements. Regularly update your backup policies to reflect changes in your environment. Consider a mid-sized company that suffered a ransomware attack. Thanks to Azure Backup, they were able to restore their critical data and systems within hours, minimizing downtime and financial loss. This case study highlights the importance of having a robust backup and restore strategy in place. Azure Backup is an essential tool for any organization looking to protect its data and ensure business continuity. By understanding and implementing the various aspects of Azure Backup, you can safeguard your data against loss and ensure quick recovery in case of disasters. The next steps involve hands-on practice and continuous monitoring to keep your backup strategy effective.